Hey guys, what's up? It's Abby and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the reveal of a lifetime. I kind of poked it a little too hard. I pierced my own ears. Yeah, I did it. I actually did it. I'm excited. I'm loving it. It's beautiful. This one's lower, this one's higher, but so are my shoulders because of that stupid scoliosis. Here I am, 20 years old with my first ever piercing, and I am so happy. Honestly, yeah. So, here's the story. I honestly have been considering getting my ears pierced like for a little while, at least a couple months. And I remember I thought about it like 3 years ago. There's a video on my channel like, should I get my ears pierced? I was like 17, now I'm 20. And I was like, I don't know, I'm just kind of afraid of getting my ears pierced and like, it just doesn't seem necessary. And like, well, here I am. I've grown up. I want my ears pierced, and I did it. I was so afraid of the pain. And honestly, it really wasn't that bad. If you're here watching this video and you're like, oh my god, I don't know about getting my ears pierced. Here's the tip. 1, don't get it done at Claire's. Claire's is not very sterile. You actually should not use a piercing gun because they can't really sterilize it very well. You're better off doing what I did, which is, I'm going to insert a picture. Do the screen thing, Abby, overlay it. But I actually bought a $10 kit off Amazon. My mom did at least, and it was supposedly sterilized in a factory. We'll see whether or not I get infected. I have to make sure to do the cleaning process. And it was basically a spring-locked, one-time use only device. And after that, you dispose of it. And $10 to pierce your own ears. Like, you could do your second piercing too if you really wanted to. It's like a lot easier than going to some store that uses other customers and there's risk of bacteria exchange. It's just gross and nasty. I mean, you don't want to go to some asbestos filled company. That stuff is not good. Nah. It honestly, we marked it on a pen. I mean, we also, my mom messed this one up. That was the first one she ever did. She's never pierced someone's ears, but she's a nurse, so she's fine. She's done enough IVs to do whatever, but it's really nice. And it's, you know, the pain I thought would be like really, really painful. This one hurt more than that one. But it's really nothing more than like, if you could imagine maybe like getting a pinch, or like the worst thing was the sound of it clicking, because it, like, if you've ever watched horror game like Five Nights at Freddy, like the spring lock kind of sound, that's what it is, because it is a spring locked. It's like a creepy animatronic earring piercer. It's coming for you. It's an earring piercer serial killer. No, not very painful. It just like it burns more now, and I can twirl it around and everything. But like, I'm so happy. I mean, I'm dating a goldsmith. I'm like gonna get the nicest pieces in the world. I'm not gonna do no jewelry haul off eBay. I'm just gonna, I may, you know, I'm not gonna do one, but I think I may do some earring hauls since I got my ears pierced. But I'm happy. I just wanted to make a short video. You can see the euphoria on my face, y'all. I am in the zone, and I think it's very flattering. I think it, my face is wide. I mean, you can't really even see it. I mean, if I didn't have studs, like if I was angled, like a beautiful Instagram. No, I have a wide jaw anyway, so you can't really see my ears, even with my hair up. Also, look how tiny my ears are. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is just me. I'm just staring at myself and my beautiful earrings, and I'm really bad about looking at myself, but thank you. Ta-da. Yeah, bye. Ooh.